Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, Saints. Today I'm going to take you through the process of setting up your Straitway Network account. Here we're on the member login page. You put in your information, and once you log in, it will take you to My Dashboard. You don't have to be approved to log in and fill in basic information and to set up your account. Everything I'm showing you today can be done before you are approved. First thing we're going to do is set up our basic information. Now here on our basic information page, this page needs to be filled out completely before you are approved. So today we're going to be setting up a business account, so we're going to put company or organization. If you were doing a general user account, you would press personal or individual. Here we have our list of categories that you can put your business under. I have a clothing line. I'm going to press Hebrew apparel. Put your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, your company name, and make sure you put your head of assembly. That is the only way you will be approved, is if your head of assembly approves you to be on the Straitway network. If you choose, you can put on here your address of your business, and if you have any website links for your business or social media links for your business, this is the place to put that information in. Here you can change your membership plan. If originally you signed up to be a general user and then you want it to change to a business membership plan, you would press this button, change membership, and you can change your membership to a business membership plan. The only differences between a business membership plan and a general membership plan is that the business membership plan has options to upload products and to advertise your business. For a general user, you will not have that option, but you still have the options to publish content such as discussion posts, photos, and videos, and blog article posts. To start setting up our account, you want to click on the photo and upload a photo. Now it's going to take you to additional details that will show up on your listing. For example, I have created a business account for a clothing line called Straight Clothing. My personal quote and motto is here: quality that lasts generations to come, year established, hours of operation, accepted forms of payments, any credentials that you may have, honors and rewards. Then there's a section to write about your company and yourself. So more about my dashboard. Over here on the left hand side, there's a button called Manage Leads. If anyone wants to contact you as a business owner and they have any questions, this is where their questions will show up. Now let's go to Member Directory so that we can see our listing. Here we are, Straight Clothing. So you press View Listing. Here's our profile picture, our business name, the category that we're in, which is Hebrew apparel. Here's a button for anyone to write a review, and this is where they would send you a message. So they would press Send Message. They will fill out this form, and once they send it, it will show up in your Manage Leads on your dashboard. And here are some products that I added. Let me show you how to add it in your dashboard. Okay, so to add products, you come here to Publish Content, click on Products, and make sure you press Yes to publish. Product name, it's going to say purple shirt. Price, $25. If I had a website, I would put the direct link here, and I would come here to describe the product. So always remember to save your changes, and you can upload as many photos of your product as you need to. Save your changes. And if you click on photo display order, if you uploaded more than one photo, you can arrange them in the order that you want. If you ever have questions and you want to get in contact with the Straitway Network team behind the scenes, you click Contact Us, fill out this form, or you can email us at info@straitwaynetwork.com, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So here is our fully functional account of Straight Clothing, just as an example to show you how to set up and utilize the Straitway Network business account. Bless you, saints. I hope this was helpful. Shalom.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.